Hey everyone, I'm just going to explain how easy it is to actually make money on PornHub through the model program once you are verified. And it took me 6 months on YouTube on my other channel to make $100, more than $100 actually. And it only took me 2 months on PornHub to do that. Basically, my wife and we just made a couple videos, I uploaded them, didn't think anything of it. And then all of a sudden, I got a check in the mail for more than $100 a couple months later. And since then, we've been taking it very seriously, and we've been making content on a weekly basis, increasing our subscription numbers. And I would say every day we make somewhere between $2 to $5 per day, and you times that by 30 in a month, and that's how much we're making. And currently, we're not selling any, videos that you can sell to make money. Where, for example, you could make a longer video and sell it for $20 and someone might buy it. We haven't done that yet. We're just building the channel up. But yeah, so far it's been really good and it's been a lot of fun with me and my partner. And it's actually a lot easier than you think. We do it from our phone and we're just really having fun doing different categories and stuff. And it's a great way to make passive income, more than I've made in doing anything else. So how you actually make money is through the advertisements. So for every 1,000 views, you make anywhere from 66 cents to 77 cents. So for every 1,000 views, you get just under $1. So to make $100, you need more than 100,000 views, clearly. It's similar to YouTube in a sense. It's a little bit less, but you have to remember that for every YouTube video watched, 4 pornographic videos are watched for each YouTube video that's watched. That means that there's more people watching porn than there are watching YouTube. So it's very easily to make money on Pornhub than it is on YouTube. The hard thing is to find a partner willing to do this. I mean, you can do your own thing. If you're a female, you can do your own thing. If you're a male, you can do your own thing too. But I think less people really want to watch you, playing with your burpees than if you were a girl playing with yourself, for example. But yeah, it's very easy to do. It's an easy way to make money, and I really suggest it to couples that are struggling. I know myself, I'm struggling, working full-time jobs, working jobs on the weekend, uh, doing stocks and dividends, just any way to make money. And so far, this has been the best way for me. So I hope you find this video useful. If you have any questions, hit me down in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to help you. I do plan on making more videos as this journey goes on, and just kind of updating people, letting people know how I'm doing financially through this journey. And yeah, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and I'll make more videos about how to get more views and things like that.